What's up, everybody? This is my 1995 HA4 Honda Acty with an eBay exhaust. The guy that installed this, I actually just got it back from the shop. He used the stock hanger spots, so you can just barely see it there. And in the back, he also cut the stock muffler flange, so that way I can actually unbolt this and switch it out with something else later on without having to cut homemade hangers. So I'm going to do one video with the silencers in. I'm just going to rev it up, and then one video with the silencers out. I'm going to rev it up, and we'll be able to hear how it sounds. Alright, everybody, thanks for watching, and hopefully this video gives you some insight as to what exhaust you want to put on your vehicle. I know there's some wireless win videos out there too. I didn't feel like spending too crazy amount of money on a wireless win and importing it, so